Right on. So let's do this. Um, for those of you that don't know my main channel, it's right here. You can see a lot of the information I talk about over here. Over here. A lot of you did come up from over here. This, of course, is Homer, who I would recommend before anything. And give you a crash course on what's going on. A lot of people, that's all they need is Mr. Bird to understand what's going on. Now, that noise you're hearing is my fan. It started blowing out over here when we discovered the field and how we can actually manipulate objects with our field, and et cetera, et cetera. Um, oldest first, and you'll learn something. It gives us the information they've been hiding for thousands of years. Turns out hieroglyphs are simple physics. That's it. Now, the more recent ones, of course, have been what's been going on since I got married, and I quit doing anything for a while because of what was going on with her. And long story short, I finally, I mean, these things needed to be posted. I was ordered to post some of them by the court, which I did. And then I found out about this stuff going on with our local town infrastructure, and decided that needed to be exposed, and to the point that finally somebody else is looking into it. So that somebody else has a lot more ability than I do. So I'm going to just shut the fuck up about it from this point on until things come to a resolution. I know there's an awful lot of you that are very personally involved with this situation with my wife. You've known her as long as I have, and you're very concerned. But at this point, the update's going to stop on that topic. Just to let you know, don't ask. Um, I'm not going to talk about it. I don't want to mess any investigations that might be or might not be going on. I'm going to concentrate on free movie night over here on Friday. We're showing it on the wall, free hot dogs and sodas, and doing whatever else I need to do, and blowing some glass, having a good time, and being me. I'll be doing my live shows as soon as I get these murals done and stuff. And we'll get back on track with that. I haven't been blowing glass the last couple of days, honestly. And there's no way I can carry my phone up there unless I duct tape it to my forehead or some shit. That's just not gonna happen. So, anyways, I wanted to give you that straight up. On to a little bit more important topic. This one's been real interesting. Well, I mean, needless to say, right? A little more than yesterday. Heavy induction, and it's been very active all day with the IMF spec. I'm not going to rewind. You should already have your one. If not, I suppose I can leave you one. Maybe. If I just try it that way. So I suppose I can leave you one in this video. See how inept I am? I can't even fucking click it. This stuff's so obvious it's in front of our face. I mean, look. There's your lag right here. All this charge buildup coming from behind in the opposings. I mean, look how dark. This is charge buildup in the negative range. This gets purple up. I mean, this is still electric. Okay, it's just totally opposing the charge of the sun. It's not the same polarity, and you can't get. It's a positive or negative flow, and that's where we're at. We're getting opposing charges and filling up, and it's just that obvious at this point. extraordinary activities in the polluted. I mean, that's what you do. Anyone wants to tell you eddy current, look up eddy current. Find out. It says there's got to be something there to cause that. There's a physical object in the current. That's what eddy current is. And yeah, so they're actually telling you the same thing I am. But they're telling you it means that there's nothing back there. How can that be? Do the math. We ran induction heating, yes, a video yesterday. I mean, what we got top and bottom over here on this map going like on steroids over here. Okay, what do you think's causing all these volcanic vomitations, man? This is heating the metals and all that new volcanic juice up. Period. This is why your trees are hollow. I've been telling people this since it started. But trees are running hollow. Sit around smelling like smoke because they're burning from the inside. This is huge amounts of energy coming from our bow shock, from this other sun over here, which is very evident, covered in the double rainbows in two different spectrums. You gotta have matching spectrums or it's not an inverted rainbow. You can't have a rainbow on top that's red and one on the bottom that's Roy G. Biv from the same light source. That's impossible. It's called spectrum. It's IR spectrum. And court and miracle, alright? Unarguable. These closed field lines are what's causing, well, this is powering up these closed field lines because they're much stronger than these normal lines that we have. People telling you that this is a weakening magnet. Again, do not know what they're talking about in physics. Magnets of strength go towards center with the field. Ding. So the crunch is evident in the front coming from the back. I mean, it's that evident. Look, this is not round. This is flat. Front curls up over here. There's these objects all around us. You can see these the best, the ones at night on the north horizon. Keep telling people north horizon. Big as day, but they're black as fuck because they're in the shadows and they're really close. They big, but I mean, you can see them with your own eyes. Period. The north horizon, under the dipper, and over to the right of the dipper. At least where it was last night. God knows where the dipper is tonight. It's just the way it goes. It bounces around with the sunrise and shit. It shouldn't be doing that. Nothing should be. We've got a lot of harmonic triggers here over the last few hours on a lot of these maps, by the way. So I'm looking at well, of course, the heating, you can tell the induction is going on pretty good. But that is definitely some magnetic breaking. So, another thing, if you haven't seen that video yet, you might want to plug in a digital clock, keep track with the clock down there on the computer. You can see digital clocks fluctuate. Well, probably that's definitely medicine for us. Fix everything back up. Just the induction thing still going through. And it really hasn't stopped that much. It's just kind of slowed down a little bit. It's picked up almost. So anyway, expect bigger quakes and keep these volcanoes popping. Um, in general. It's not going to slow down. People, this is a slow train wreck. It's picking up speed. Africa, Indonesia are looking quiet. Tonga, South Sandwich. Been slowed down. They've been popping some volcanoes up around here. I forgot I was recording. Yeah, anyway, oldest first, folks. Have a good night.